guess who this is for.
Are you sure that you would never cheat on your girlfriend? Because I'm a really good homewrecker. And unlike your girlfriend, I'll listen to all of your stories and I'll think they're amazing because I actually care. For a little while at least. And,
Okay.
I am really good in bed.
Oh, shit.
Weight-challenged girls appreciate sex a whole lot more than skinny chicks do because we aim to please.
Okay, thank you, Sadie. I appreciate the candor, but I should explain. The gift of the cafe au latte was less of a suggestion of sexual rendezvous and more of just like a nice gesture for a very underpaid colleague who I think needs to get the hell out of here as soon as she possibly can.
I thank you, and I appreciate it.
All right.
You know, I have been on Craigslist for most of the morning, and there is a guy on here that's looking for a girl to clean his bathroom naked.
Interesting.
Yeah. You know, it pays $200 a pop. I'm thinking yes.
I would rethink that, but I am sure you will find something. This place is no life for anyone who appreciates, you know, happiness.
Yeah.
Sally, excuse me. I am loving that